What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to check out the top 5 best silent mechanical keyboard that are available on the market for their true quality. We have made this list based on overall performance, price, quality, and more. If you choose from this list, you can rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please check the products link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. NPET K10 Gaming Keyboard. NPET K10 is a very new and modest computer accessory firm that offers some of the most affordable keyboards, as well as a couple that are silent. The NPET Quiet Mechanical Keyboard occupies the top spot on this list since it is the most economical alternative, making it ideal for low-cost computer configurations. Even though it is affordably priced, it has a full-size form factor. Unfortunately, in order to keep the price low, this keyboard is a mechanical feel keyboard and not a true mechanical keyboard. Thankfully, this mechanical keyboard's RGB lighting is still present, and it looks fantastic. And despite being a small and new brand, it comes with a 1-year warranty, which is always a plus. Best features. Offers a format of full size. Utilizes mechanical tactile switches. Includes RGB illumination. Warranty for 1 year is included. Pros. Extremely inexpensive and budget-friendly keyboard. Excellent full-size design with RGB lighting. Reasonably reliable for the price, with a guarantee included. Cons. Not employing actual mechanical switches. Number 2. Corsair K70 RGBM K2 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Corsair is a name that need no introduction when discussing computer peripherals, since it offers some of the highest performing and most feature-rich keyboards, as well as a few silent choices. The Corsair K70 RGBM K2 silent mechanical keyboard occupies the second spot on this list because it offers the best performance. As a premium mechanical keyboard, it features a full-size form factor. In addition, the Cherry MX Red switches on this premium mechanical keyboard ensure the greatest typing experience. One of the nicest features of this Corsair keyboard is its fully customizable RGB lighting, which looks incredible. Given that this is a high-end and premium keyboard from Corsair, a 2-year warranty is expected. Best features. Full-size form factor. Utilizes Red Cherry MX switches. Includes RGB illumination. Includes a 2-year warranty. Pros. Class-leading typing experience with a premium build. RGB backlighting that is highly customizable and equipped with a variety of characteristics. Utilizes premium Cherry MX switches. Cons. A very costly mechanical keyboard. Number 3. Royal Kludge RK61 Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. When it comes to mechanical keyboards, Royal Kludge is a brand of keyboards that is relatively new and considerably smaller than others, but yet manages to be a viable option due to its highly distinctive features. This Royal Kludge RK61 silent mechanical keyboard is ranked 3rd in this article because it is the most compact alternative presented, making it perfect for desks with limited space. This is made feasible by the keyboard's significantly reduced 6-type percentage form factor. Although they may not be the most premium switches, the included RK Red switches function reasonably well for the price. This keyboard comes with RGB backlighting, which is pretty attractive despite the price tag. In addition, you receive a 2-year warranty with this quiet mechanical keyboard, which is uncommon among budget alternatives. Best features. Features a 60% aspect ratio. Utilizes Red RK switches. Includes RGB illumination. Includes a 2-year warranty. Number 4. Razer Black Widow TEChroma V2 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Razer is a very renowned and well-known brand of computer peripherals that are regarded as quite high-end while providing best-in-class performance, even with their silent mechanical keyboards. The Razer Black Widow TEV2 silent mechanical keyboard is one of the top available solutions for gamers seeking keyboards. This keyboard has a TKL layout in order to provide you with excellent functionality while allowing sufficient room for your mouse. As this is a Razer keyboard, it is equipped with Razer yellow switches to ensure that it is always silent. Best features. Featuring a TKL form factor. Utilizes the yellow Razer switches. Contains RGB backlighting. Includes a 2-year warranty. Pros. Superbly silent mechanical gaming keyboard with the ideal size. RGB backlighting of the highest caliber with a variety of customization options. Superior switches for silent and effective operation. Cons. Not an inexpensive, silent mechanical keyboard. Number 5. Redragon K582 SURARA RGB LED Backlit Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Those on a budget and desiring entry-level solutions can also investigate Redragon's services, particularly if they desire something practical without paying a premium for it. Redragon's K582 SURARA silent mechanical keyboard is one of the greatest value for money options available, since it provides a great deal for the price. Beginning with its size, this is a full-size keyboard with all the necessary keys. And while they may not be the nicest, this mechanical keyboard features Redragon Red Real mechanical switches. Since Redragon specializes in gaming peripherals, this keyboard has RGB backlighting. Despite having a 1-year warranty, the construction quality of this keyboard is quite subpar. Best features: includes RGB illumination, includes a 1-year warranty. Pros: a remarkable value for the price, includes all of the necessary keys, reasonably decent key switches for the price. Cons: construction quality might have been enhanced. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for this review. I hope you guys have enjoyed our work. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. See you guys later.